bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan, bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesota, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Yesota. Don't forget, this is Ashish Eru. This is Ashish. I want to repeat this program on this channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. I have taught some people how to use ashes to remove hatred from your body, to reverse causes on your head. Some people, they curse themselves. They curse themselves because of a small piece of meat in the pot. When they asked, they were asking, who stole the piece of meat in the pot? I am not the person. If I'm the person, let my life be this. Some people, they will curse themselves. They swear that if they are the person that stole a piece of meat in the pot, they should never get what they need in their life. Now, you are running from Canada to Spain, Spain to Italy, Italy to London. You are suffering because of the causes. Sometimes people can curse you. You are a girl. A man spent money for you. They spent money on you when you were a student. When you are about to marry, you refuse to marry the person. And the person curses you that you will never get a baby of your choice. You will not get a baby to carry in your hand. Now it's not worrying you. How to reverse it? This is Ashish. You are a man. You promise a lady that heaven and heart can only separate you. Later, you abandon the girl. A girl trained you for university level. Now, it is after your graduation that you realize that the girl is not up to your standard. The girl calls you. You are now managing, suffering. And we have some family causes. There are some families, they don't spend up to 60 years on earth. Whenever they are 55, 58, they will die. Either they get money or they don't get money. How you can use ashes to avert it, to stop it, I will teach you today. Get seated. You know, when you want to use this thing, please just try to get a soap of your choice. If you want to use black soap, no problem. You will just mix ashes. Some people, they are calling me that this is working for them. I posted this thing on my other channel, Kini Show. See, some people say they don't know the spelling. This is Kini Show TV. Kini Show TV. I loaded this in there for people to see. I leaked the secret just to promote the channel. I leaked the secret. If somebody come to visit me, I know how much I can charge to give this secret out. But I deliberately released that secret to promote that my channel, my sister's channel, my sister's station, Kini Show Television, which is owned by Baba Oloyin Original. If we see another person reposting, well, I even put it in my new book, African Power. You are having promise and fail. Your business is not moving. You have a sick father. You have a sick mother. You have spent all money on orthodox and unorthodox. Still no result. It may be spiritual. So if it is spiritual, please try to get ashes. Eru, any deru top. This is how to use it. Get a black soap or brown soap. Mix ashes with it. Some people in London and America, some people say they can't get ashes. But some people later call me that when they burn some charcoals, they were able to see ashes. You too, you can try it like that. You get ashes, you will mix it with local soap, black soap or brown soap in your area. You will take your bath with it once or twice in a week. But if you want to use this soap, use palm oil to rub your body from head to leg. You will use palm oil, red palm oil, epo pupa, that's cooking palm oil. Yes, cooking oil, cooking palm oil. But when we mention red oil, some people don't know. Engine oil can be red, especially gear oil. If you are using one kind of automatic gear, you should use red oil. So this is palm oil I'm talking about. Palm oil that people can use to cook their food. Rub your body with palm oil, cooking palm oil. Rub your head. If you just plait your head, you don't want to touch your hair, leave it. You can rub your face. Rub your face, your back, hand, leg down. Then bath with cold water. If you want to take hot water, yeah, it will still work for you. But if it is cold water or hot water, no problem. Any water you like, because you can use it in the night, you can use it in the morning, you can use it Monday and Thursday, you can use it on Tuesday and Sunday. Only Wednesday and Saturday is not advisable to use soap. Take your bath with it. As you are washing that palm oil for your body, you are washing that causes. You are removing family causes, family bondage. By the special grace of God. It's in African Power Book. African Power Book. If I don't tell you again, some people they are doing yanga on YouTube after copying all my books from onion as a medicine. I taught you how you can use coconut. Some people they are reposting. I've warned them. Those who know that should tell them they should not tamper with this new book. They should not. They should not tamper with African Power Book. Oh, they have almost copied everything I get here. How to use coconut water to get money, they copy it. Those who watch this program, go and watch it. Baba Oloyin Original Television, how you can use coconut water and honey. Go and click to Baba Oloyin Original Television, you will see it. Over 500,000 people have watched the program because I posted it in 2018. And this book was released in 2015. Honey as a Medicine was released in 2015. And this book is a combination of 50 ways of using honey and the new book. In 50 ways of using honey, I don't have that one. If you check it, you will see coconut water there. It's one of the things that promoted the book. 50 ways of using honey. It's now here now. No more 50 ways of using honey, but honey as a medicine. This is coconut. I told you how you can use coconut water and honey. Watch Baba Oloyin Original Television, you will see it there. You will see it there. Then I told people in my other channel yesterday, the day before yesterday, on Kenisho Television, if you do the preparation of honey and coconut water, don't put it inside fridge. Don't put it inside freezer. If you put it, you have already spoiled it. It will not work again. Those who don't know you, who are copycat, they will tell you to go and put it inside fridge. If you put it inside fridge or freezer, it will never work again. Because when you put something inside the fridge or freezer, when it gets blocked, water will enter that place and it's not good again. Shabolo Gusensa. So, those of you that you are struggling in other places, you are in other countries, suffering. Sometimes it is your mother that put your wahala on your head. It is some people's mother that put trouble in their head. Because when your mother committed some adulteries or so, when you were young, your mother has caused all the children. If I'm the person that do this, all my children to do this. When your mother has caused all your things, now you are unable to succeed. So how to affect it is you can use ashes. If you want to use Oyinbo soap, white soap, you can cut it into pieces. put it in water. The second day, it will get melt. You remove the water, then you put ashes, mix it together. Take your bath with it as earlier told you. Yes. Anytime you are washing that fan where you rub your body with, you are washing the hatred away. Don't forget, the program you are watching is Baba Oloyin Original Television. My telephone number is on the screen. 08054749455. Listen again. 08054749455. If you want to send your message on WhatsApp, don't forget to put +234. If you had +234 before you dial the number, you will get me. Send your message on WhatsApp. And all these books, if you are not living around, you can get them online. I can send the books to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. You can get the books on your WhatsApp, email, Gmail, or on your WhatsApp. You can get them. But if you are within Nigeria, you can send the books to you. If you can pay for courier services, they will deliver to you. Yes. But outside the country, it's advisable to get the books online. He send the books to you on your WhatsApp, email, Gmail. Then you print it out on your site. It's very cheap in your area there. Don't forget, I'm Baba Oloyin Original. I'm staying at Yesota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. From Sango, just enter motor going to Yanayesi. Drop at Yanayesi. Tell them we are going to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Adebisi, Yesota. You can get my products at Mushin Cap Communications, number 4, Alukolaro Street, Mushin. Number 4, Alukolaro Street, Mushin. At Ikotu Egbe, Sele bus stop Egbe, Agodo Egbe. At Sele bus stop Egbe, take Marwa, tell them you are going to Agodo Market. Oja Agodo Market. Number 2, Famous Obu Street, Agodo Market. We are there. Those of you living around Bariga, Akoka, Unilag Road, you can go to Ilaje Road. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. If you call me, I will tell you other address you can get the products. Don't forget, Baba Oloyin Original. Baba Oloyin Original. I'm saying at Yesota, Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. At Mushin, anytime you go there, you always see the honey and our booths. Number 4, Alukolaro Street. Number 4, Alukolaro Street, Mushin. At Ikotun, this is Sele Egbe. If you reach Sele Egbe, go and see Mama Mumbo, Mrs. Taiwo. Number 2, Famous Obu Street. Number 2, Famous Obu Street, Agodo Market, Agodo, Egbe. At Bariga, number 36, Ilaje Road. 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.